In this video, following the explanation of the drawing generation button in the GeoDim engine, we introduce the key ribbon buttons used for drawing automation tasks. Each button is configured to enable quick execution of tasks, such as automatic dimension generation, hole and screw dimensions, chamfer and radius dimensions, view alignment, part number creation, and sheet merging and splitting. The Hole Chain button is a feature that automatically creates chain dimensions based on hole locations in the drawing view. When multiple holes are arranged in a specific direction, it allows you to quickly dimension the distance between the centers of each hole. The Corner Chain button automatically creates chain dimensions based on outlines or key corner locations. It is useful for quickly indicating distances between consecutive corners, such as steps, cuts, and sections of shape changes. The Max Dimension button is a feature that automatically creates the total horizontal and vertical dimensions of a drawing view. It allows you to quickly display the maximum width and height of a part, making it useful when creating basic external dimensions. The Hole and Thread buttons automatically create dimensions for hole and screw geometries. They allow you to quickly display dimension information for standard holes, tapped holes, and screws on the drawing, reducing repetitive hole dimensioning work. The Chamfer button recognizes chamfer shapes in the drawing view and automatically creates chamfer dimensions. You can quickly add dimensions or annotations for shapes such as 45-degree chamfers without manual work. The Radius button automatically creates radius dimensions based on arc and radius shapes in the drawing view. You can quickly add necessary radius dimensions for parts with many curved surfaces, rounds, and arc shapes. The Dimension Alignment button is a function that aligns and positions created dimensions around the drawing view. By organizing the positions of automatically generated dimensions, you can reduce overlap between dimensions and improve the readability of the drawing. The View Layout button is a function that selects the view configuration to be placed on the drawing. You can select a combination of front view, right side view, top view, and isometric view from the drop-down menu, and the drawing views are automatically placed according to the selected configuration. Additionally, you can set detailed placement spacing for assemblies and parts respectively in the Detailed Placement section of the GeoDim Engine settings. If you specify the top, bottom, left, and right margin values in millimeters, the view positions will be placed based on these settings when executing view placement. This allows users to maintain consistent view placement according to drawing. The Automatic Part Dimension button is a feature that executes the necessary automatic dimensioning operations for a part drawing all at once. The dimension items executed can be controlled in the Auto Dimension option of the GeoDim Engine settings. In this settings screen, you can select automatic dimension items by part type, such as assemblies, sheet metal single parts, sheet metal multi-parts, general single parts, general multi-parts, shaft or drum shapes, and purchased parts. For example, if you select items such as hole chain, edge chain, maximum dimension, hole and thread, chamfer, and radius, only the selected items will be automatic. This allows users to selectively apply automatic dimensioning rules tailored to part characteristics, rather than applying the same dimensioning method to all parts. The sheet merge and split buttons are features designed to efficiently manage multiple drawing sheets. You can merge multiple sheets into a single drawing file, split sheets included in a single file into individual files, and synchronize sheet information based on modeling data. This enables more consistent handling of bulk drawing management, drawing organization by part, and sheet information The item. No button is a function for creating and managing part number information in drawings. You can use the automatic part number, manual part number, and missing part number check functions from the drop-down menu. Automatic part number automatically generates part numbers based on the drawing view and part information, while manual part number is used to manually place part numbers in the array. So far, we have examined the main ribbon buttons of GeoDim Engine. Each button is designed to enable the fast and consistent processing of tasks required after drawing creation, such as dimensioning, dimension organization, view placement, part number management, and sheet management. By utilizing GeoDim Engine, you can reduce the time spent on repetitive drawing tasks and improve the quality of